In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create patterns in Figma using plugins in just 5 minutes. To begin, we're going to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool, which is perfect for both individual creators and teams who need to work together seamlessly. Open your preferred web browser and visit Figma's website. Once you're there, you'll find a welcoming, clean interface that makes navigation a breeze. Next, locate the login button. It's typically situated at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to a page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't already have a Figma account, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process requiring only a few details. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is your central hub for all things design. Here you can access your past projects and start new ones. From this home screen, we're going to transition directly to the design section. You'll find the design option on the left sidebar. Clicking on it will direct you into the creative zone where the magic happens. Once you're inside the design area, look for the Action button. This is a versatile tool that opens up a realm of possibilities, including plugins, templates, and various design elements. With a click on Action, a menu of options reveals itself. In today's session, our focus is on patterns, so we'll dive right into that. Now, in the Action menu, use the search function to look for pattern. This is where the fun begins. Figma has a variety of plugins specifically designed to help you generate patterns effortlessly. After hitting enter, you should see several options, each providing different styles and utilities for creating patterns. Select any pattern from the list that catches your eye. The beauty of Figma is in its flexibility and variety, so feel free to explore different styles and see how they can fit into your project. Each pattern offers distinct customization options, allowing you to tailor it to your exact needs. Finally, once you've chosen a pattern, click on the Run button. This command applies the pattern to your design canvas, allowing you to see it in action. You can adjust the settings and see real-time updates, which is perfect for tweaking the final look to perfection. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully integrated a pattern into your Figma design. This method not only saves time but enhances your creativity, allowing you to focus more on the artistic aspects rather than the technical ones. Remember, the key to mastering Figma is consistent practice and exploration, so keep experimenting with different plugins and patterns to find what best suits your style, and soon you'll become a pro at creating stunning designs in Figma.